Do you want to change keyboard layout in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Download Windows Speedup tool to fix errors and make PC run faster. Windows offers multiple keyboards and it's easy to add them. It's important to note that you can also change Windows keyboard layout or language. Although very basic, it is essential, especially when using a touchscreen to type. In this video, we will show you how to change the Windows keyboard layout and add a new keyboard. Let's get started. Change Windows keyboard layout. While a keyboard is available by default when you install Windows based on the language, you can add a new one. You can also switch between the default or multiple keywords as easily. Go to Settings, then select Time and Language, then Language and Region. Now add a language, then click on Next, then Install. Once installed, click on the three dots menu, then select Change Language Options. Now click on Add a Keyboard and Exit. Now that you have a keyboard installed, let's see how you can change the Windows keyboard layout. There are two ways to understand the layout part. One where you change the entire keyboard and the other where you want its position to change so that it's easily accessible. Change the complete keyboard or switch between keyboards. Press Win key plus spacebar to open the keyboard switcher. Press the spacebar again and it will switch between the installed keyboard. Look for a keyboard icon on the desktop, tap to launch it. On the top left of the keyboard, look for the gear icon and click on it. Tap to open it. And here, you can choose between different layout including default, small, split, etc. Since most tablets and laptops screens are going to be bigger, it's best to choose split. You also have the option to use the microphone and clipboard. If you need to use a pen, the last one allows you to use either your fingers or a digital pen. This is useful when you need to sign documents. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.